In today's video, I am going to teach you how to get Hootsuite Premium for free. If you are looking to manage social media more smoothly, Hootsuite Premium can be a big help. The good news is that you can use premium features during a free trial period, so you can explore what you get before you decide anything. To begin, go to Hootsuite, open your web browser, then type in the Hootsuite site address, or search for Hootsuite and choose the official result. Once the homepage loads, take a moment to confirm you are on the correct site and that you can see options for starting a trial or signing up. This matters because there are many lookalike pages online, and you want the official one to avoid any problems later. Next, click Start Your Free Trial. On the page, you should see a button or link that clearly says something like that. Click it to move to the sign-up flow. After you click, the site may ask you to create an account or confirm details to begin the trial. Keep your attention on the page as it loads, because the location of the button can vary slightly depending on the device and region. After that, select the Hootsuite plan you want to try. During the free trial step, you will usually see multiple plan options. Your goal here is to choose the one that matches what you want to test. For example, if you want broader access to premium tools, you should pick the plan that includes those premium features. If you are not sure, focus on which plan offers the capabilities you are most interested in using during the trial. This selection affects what tools you can explore, so it is worth choosing thoughtfully. Then you will need to complete the setup. Setup typically includes creating your account details and getting your workspace ready. The process may include selecting your organization name, connecting social profiles, or choosing initial preferences. Follow the on-screen prompts carefully, and do not rush through this part. If a step asks you to grant access to social accounts, make sure you understand what you are connecting. Once setup is complete, you should be taken into the Hootsuite dashboard, where the premium trial experience begins. Now that you are set up, it is time to use the premium features during the 14-day free trial. Spend a few minutes exploring the dashboard, so you know where everything is. In most cases, premium tools are designed to help you schedule content, manage multiple social channels, and get more advanced insights. As you browse, pay attention to the features that you normally would not have with a basic plan. Try scheduling a post, review any analytics or reporting tools available, and check the areas that support your social media workflow. While you use the trial, consider your typical day in social media. This will help you understand whether the premium features actually improve your process. If you can, test the features you care about most, such as content planning, performance tracking, team collaboration options, or any advanced management tools that the selected plan includes. Keep in mind that the free trial lasts 14 days, so using that time effectively will make your decision easier later. If anything looks confusing during the trial, pause and review what you see in the interface. Hootsuite usually organizes tools by sections, and once you understand where things are, it becomes much easier to navigate. The setup and exploration steps are the most important parts, because they help you confirm whether the premium experience fits your needs. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.